BestBookBits.com presents YouTube Marketing by Jerry Kershen. 10 proven steps to creating a successful YouTube channel, building a following and audience, making money and marketing on YouTube. Create, monetize, earn. Discover the ways to create and market your YouTube channel successfully and make money. YouTube has now become so popular that millions of visitors come and go every day, and it's widely used by normal people like you and me. A few years back, YouTube wasn't as popular of a way to make money, but today there is an incredible opportunity to make money on YouTube. When you start your YouTube channel, not only are you opening the door to thousands of potential subscribers, but you also will be creating an opportunity to make a lot of money. Follow the simple steps in this book and you will be well on your way. The written summary can be found on our website, bestbookbits.com. So without further ado, I bring the book summary of YouTube Marketing. Step 1. Why start a YouTube channel? Every channel begins with a concept. Becoming a successful YouTuber is all about producing high quality content that you care about and then using proven or innovative marketing strategies to get those videos out to a certain demographic who the topic appeals to. What kind of videos do you want to make? The most successful YouTube videos focus on a specific topic or niche. Above all, it is important that the topic of your YouTube channel be something that you are passionate about. You are making a major mistake if you decide to please content on something you think audiences will like versus what you like. By knowing who your audience is, you will know exactly who to market your videos to. Questions about target audience. How old are they? What video style do they prefer? What parts of the country or the world are they from? Which gender will your videos appeal to more, if not both? One strategy to best determine what your target audience looks like is to research other successful YouTube channels in roughly your same niche or topic and find out what kinds of people those channels appeal to. How often will you be uploading videos? In order for your channel to be successful, you have to post regular content on a scheduled basis. Ask yourself what you can realistically do. Once a week can be fine to start. Ask yourself how long it would take you to come up with that idea, to film the video, to edit it, then to upload it. Whatever you do, don't become stressed about it. Remember to be patient. YouTube channel is built over time and by the quality of their content and by the quality of their marketing. Step 2. How is it possible to make money with YouTube? Ways to increase the amount of money you make with YouTube. Have an audience. You need to have people clicking to watch your videos. You need to be uploading videos on a regular basis rather than on a sporadic basis. Make sure your videos fulfill a specific niche and are clearly marketed towards a specific audience. To get people liking you more and to subscribe to your channel, talk with them and answer their questions in the comments below. Share your videos via other social media outlets. In order to make any kind of money off in your videos, you must first monetize them, which entails YouTube setting up ads before and during the video. However, you must make sure there are no copyrighted materials within the video. Google Adsense. Once this is set up, you will earn money with each click of an ad and with each view. Analyze your videos. You can keep track of the analytics of your videos to see which specific ones are earning the most money on your channel and which demographic your video is appealing to. Partner with YouTube. Once you have gained a large number of subscribers and views on your channel, you'll be able to partner with YouTube where you'll get access to more tools from YouTube to create more videos. Step 3. Know your content. Not only you must be extremely passionate and knowledgeable about the subject matter of the videos you're producing, you also need to know exactly how that content relates to the audience and what makes your channel stand out from the other channels that are roughly in the same niche. You need to know how to create your content so that it has a unique voice that clearly discriminates you from other YouTube channels in the same niche. Your channel needs to tell an entirely different story from other channels in a way that can be entertaining, funny, educational, inspiring, unique, or a combination of any of those things. Not only do you need people clicking on your videos, but you need an existing viewers to come back for more. They need to be looking forward to the next upload and make them wanting to tell their friends about your channel. Know how to collaborate your content. Know how to unite your channel or brand with people or another brand and who can spread your content. Know how to get people participating in your content. Include a call to action in your videos that will get people wanting to interact and communicate with you. Step 4. Who is your audience? Millennials make up the largest demographic of YouTube viewers than any other. Step 5. Producing the videos, quality first. Tips to ensure quality. High image quality. Directly produced with the type of camera you use. High sound quality. Consider using the microphone to capture more sound and make it more clear. Camera stabilization. Use anything and everything at your disposal to reduce camera shake. Learn camera angles. The best angles are those that look natural, are well composed, and use as much natural lighting as possible. Follow the rules of thirds. Your camera shots need to look visually appealing to the human eye as well. Set up a background and your camera before shooting begins. Learn how to edit video. Learn how to use the software. Learn how to color correct and adjust the audio and make the cuts flow nicely together. Consider putting your personal brand logo at the beginning and end of the video as well. And step 6, producing the videos. Search engine optimization. Keywords. It is important that your video rank high on YouTube's search result page. It also needs to search high on other search engines like Google. Type in an important keyword in the title and description of your video. Include a call to subscribe in your YouTube video descriptions. An effective way to directions it to your videos is to reach out to popular bloggers and YouTube stars who write about or film topics similar to your videos via email and ask them to share your video with their readers. Bloggers look for content to post, so your video could be just what they're looking for their topic. Turn your subscription into email contacts to build your email list. When they subscribe to your website, and give them a giveaway item and update them every video post. Keep your subscribers engaged. Give away free stuff. Can you also sell products or services to your subscribers? To use email effectively and YouTube marketing, follow the steps. Build up an existing YouTube subscriber list and viewing base. Start a website for your YouTube channel. Email the list of popular bloggers who write about topics similar to what your YouTube channel is about to direct traffic to your website. Sell products on your website such as your brand logo on t-shirts or hats. Build relationships with your email subscribers via free giveaways. Update questions about what they want to see for the future and to direct interactions. YouTube advertising and AdWords from Google. Pay per click. The cost is largely dependent upon how popular the video keywords are that you select. Creating the ad is need to have a purpose and contribute to the overall message that you're trying to convey. Sites such as Facebook, Twitter, and Reddit are excellent places to promote your YouTube channel. However, the specific channel you should use is solely dependent on the type of content you're promoting and your target audience. Be careful and avoid making your interactions with your followers feel like intentional advertisements. When setting up a Facebook page for your YouTube channel, always set it up either under the local business or place or brand or product option. Social media is easily the best way to make any of your videos go viral. Step 10. Think outside the box. The most popular and successful YouTube channels are those that engage the world. This means that they produce content that connects with people, regardless of whether that content is funny, informative, dramatically moving, innovative, and so on. Do something either in your content or in your marketing that's different from your competitors so you'll stand out and people will be drawn to you. 4 ways to think outside the box and increase your overall marketing potential. Create a viral video. Tip: make it very simple and short. Another viral tip: be unique, not a copycat of another viral video. Engage with your community. Simple things and how do you engage with followers, like answering questions in your comments, holding a Q&A video, and offering free giveaways of products or holding competitions. Have a theme. All successful YouTube channels have a consistent theme that runs through them. If you don't feel like you have a suitable theme, develop one. Don't stop producing content. Don't stop producing content. You should definitely be producing content at regular intervals based on what is realistic for you. Summary. Have a clear vision in mind of what the purpose of your channel is, the specific content, and your target audience. Invest the time, money, and effort into ensuring that your videos are made with decent quality, camera, sound, steadiness, framing it back, around, and editing. Don't forget the potential that exists with SEO. Research the strongest keywords pertaining to your video and insert them in your video title and description. Begin marketing your video to the masses within your target demographics. Reach out via email to popular bloggers that write about similar content that you do. Using advertising to increase the amount of money you make and promote your channel. And then share your videos across social networks so that they gain attention from people. Finally, come up with ways to think outside the box so that you can be an extra, unique element in your marketing strategy that your competing channels aren't using. And that's a wrap on YouTube marketing by Jerry Kershen. Subscribe to our channel and take a look at the hundreds of book summaries uploaded previously. To find hundreds of written summaries, check out our website, bestbookbits.com, and for hundreds of audio podcast summaries, find us on mixcloud.com/bestbookbits. Like and share if you got something from this summary, and comment on what one thing stood out for you. Thanks for watching, and have yourself an amazing day. Take care.